Hello guys, today we're taking a look at the SYLVOX 75-inch waterproof Smart 4K outdoor TV, a massive display built specifically for backyard entertainment. This TV delivers 4K UHD resolution with high brightness output, making it easy to see clear, vibrant visuals even in partially sunny conditions. Whether you're hosting a game day party, watching movies at night, or streaming your favorite shows by the pool, the picture stays sharp and colorful. What really sets it apart is its outdoor durability. With an IP56 waterproof rating and a rugged metal housing, it's designed to handle rain, dust, humidity, and temperature changes throughout the year. That means you don't have to worry every time the weather shifts. It also comes with built-in smart features, including voice assistant support and wireless streaming, so accessing apps and content is simple without extra devices. Multiple HDMI and USB ports give you flexibility to connect consoles, streaming boxes, or other gear. The built-in speakers are solid for casual viewing, but adding an outdoor soundbar can enhance the experience even more. Overall, this is a powerful outdoor TV that combines durability, brightness, and smart functionality for next-level backyard entertainment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.